Welcome to Cognizant Hub YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox this new Logitech M235 wireless mouse. So let's get started. So this is the packaging that we got from Amazon. I'm going to open it now. The original price is Rs 995, but I got a 60% discount on this product. I'm providing the link in the description. You can check it out. After opening it, you will find the dazzling mouse from Logitech. It has a power button to turn it on or off. They have provided us a battery of 1.5 volts. The company claims that it runs for 12 months on a single battery. The range of this mouse is around 10 meters. Also, we got a unifying receiver that needs to be connected to the USB port of your computer. What is the best part of this mouse? It is completely wireless. So if you are a person like me who absolutely hates the hassle of wires all around, this Logitech mouse is for you. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please press the thumb icon. If you have any suggestions, you can use that comment section, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.